In this video, we discuss DeepSeek's new AI model, which has caused a stir in the AI world. The focus is on how this model compares to others, its implications for developers, and what the future holds for jobs in the tech industry. Key points. 1. Introduction to DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek has released a new AI model that has outperformed other models, including OpenAI's, in various benchmarks. This model is not only powerful but also open source and 26 to 28 times cheaper than OpenAI's offerings. It can be run on a regular computer, making it accessible to a wider audience. 2. Impact on jobs. The video explores how this model could affect jobs, particularly for developers. While it may increase expectations for developers, it also offers opportunities to enhance productivity and create new tools. 3. Technical details. DeepSeek's model uses reinforcement learning instead of supervised fine-tuning, which is a different approach compared to traditional methods. This model has achieved impressive accuracy, even surpassing OpenAI's models in certain benchmarks like the Humanities Last Exam. 4. Commercial use. The model is commercially viable, meaning users can monetize it without any issues. It is significantly cheaper than OpenAI's models, making it an attractive option for businesses and individuals. 5. Challenges and allegations. There are allegations that DeepSeek's model may have biases or censorship issues, particularly regarding historical facts. The video encourages viewers to read more about these allegations on platforms like Reddit. 6. Practical demonstration. The video includes a practical demonstration of how to run the DeepSeek R1 model on a basic laptop. The model performs well even on lower-end hardware, showcasing its efficiency. 7. Future of AI and learning. The video emphasizes the importance of learning AI and data science, as these fields are crucial for the future. It suggests that developers should focus on creating tools that can automate daily tasks, freeing up time for more significant projects. 8. Conclusion. The video concludes by encouraging viewers to try out the DeepSeek R1 model and share their thoughts in the comments. It also asks for feedback on whether viewers would like to see more videos like this in the future. Final thoughts. The DeepSeek R1 model represents a significant advancement in AI technology, offering a powerful and cost-effective alternative to existing models. While it may pose challenges for developers, it also opens up new opportunities for innovation and productivity. The video provides a comprehensive overview of the model's capabilities, its potential impact on the job market, and practical steps